Hey guys, today I'm making a different type of Tesla video. In past videos, people wanted me to create a specific tutorial video on how to download custom Tesla light shows. If you didn't know already, Tesla currently has two different options for light shows and that's it. But Tesla makes it super simple to download any type of custom light show. Alright, so before we begin, in order to add any custom light shows to your Tesla, you must have an external hard drive or USB. I would recommend a small 1GB USB drive, as you can only have one downloaded at a time. After that, you must have a computer of some sort. Plug the USB drive in, and first we need to format the drive itself. Once formatted, add a folder into the drive called Light Show with a capital L and a capital S. After that, you're literally almost done. Go to the website linked below and find your favorite light show. Once you find the one you like and have downloaded it, paste them into the Light Show folder and rename it Light Show all lowercase, and don't change the file extension. After that, you're done, and all you got to do now is literally plug it into your glove compartment, like so. The newer Teslas don't have any USB data slots in your glove compartment, or I'm sorry, in your middle console anymore. So you do need to plug it into your glove box. But once you do that, go to your light show thing in the toy box here, and you're gonna see a custom USB light show. It works just like any others. If there is any dancing moves that the developers made for this custom light show, you'll have this little box here that'll say dance moves, and you can check mark it on or off. And then you also have the volume and all that stuff. So you choose the one you want, it'll show light show is ready, you choose the volume you want for it, you choose the time, you choose dance moves, and you're done. It's super simple, and as we're getting into the holiday time, you might want to start a Christmas light show with a whole bunch of other Tesla friends, or just kind of show a cool party trick to anybody. This is definitely something I do highly recommend doing, as it is another feature that we only get once a year, because we only get about one light show each year. And I'm not sure if Tesla will do one this year, but in the past they have done the Carol Bells, and then we got the new one last year. So this is how you do download a custom light show. Now, unfortunately, it is a situation where it only allows for you to download one at a time. So I do recommend going and getting a couple different USB drives, and then you can actually go and download on each USB drive a certain one. I know that is kind of complicated, but that's the only way right now. Maybe in the future they'll release a software update allowing for more custom USB light shows. You could call it custom USB light show 1 and via to 10. So but before I go, I have one last thing I want to show you guys, and that is the sponsor of today's video. If you didn't know already, in the new 2024 Tesla Model 3, they are getting rid of the wood trim interior. But if you're like me and already own a Tesla, this product by TL Yard allows for a complete transformation of the wood delete using this double-sided adhesive slap-on. Use code TESLA01 and get 22% off limited time.